Does cracking your knuckles cause any harm? This man did it for 60 years and cleared up our doubts. Like us, he wondered if cracking his knuckles could lead to joint problems. And what better way to find out than by testing it, right? When you crack your knuckles, the noise you hear is just a tiny air bubble between your joints popping. Donald Unger spent 60 years cracking the knuckles on his left hand only, and in the end, he found that it didn't change anything in his life. It turns out that cracking your knuckles doesn't have any serious effects. The worst that could happen is a bit of swelling or a slight loss of grip strength.